I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. Cause then I start to taste them. I say, so.
You're a liar! You're a liar! You know something that you're not telling us, you slimy scumbag liar!
Rest in peace, Activision Blizzard, am I right? I've been saying for years, probably about a decade, that Blizzard is a shit company that I'm not a fan of.
Jessica, how can I help you?
Hey, some of the guys in the office have been saying some weird stuff, and I kind of just wanted to talk about...
Yeah. Hold on. Here at Blizzard, we value diversity and strive to foster a workplace that offers inclusivity for everyone.
I feel like if you hire someone that you then have to educate on how not to grope women in a cube crawl, they probably just shouldn't work for you in the first place.
Lose my money.
Tell me what you do!
Blizzard. This ship might be sinking, but Blizzard will just buy a new one when it's over.
Activision Blizzard, the video game maker, said on Tuesday that the president of its Blizzard Entertainment studio was stepping down immediately, and that its head of human resources was also leaving.
The time has come.
To leave Blizzard, J. Goodbye, J. Allen Brad.
I think I'm quite ready for another adventure.
When I think about what I'm most unhappy about, there's really two things. The first one is we didn't live up to the high standards that we really set for ourselves. And the second is we failed in our purpose. And for that, I am sorry, and I accept accountability.
You haven't had high standards since 2005.